The sedum succulents are one of the easiest plant to propagate and will grow readily from stem or leaf cuttings. You can start a new plant simply by letting a fallen leaf root itself or by taking a cutting from a healthy parent plant. Here are the steps to do propagating using stem cuttings. This method is ideal for creating fuller and bushier plants. You need to follow the 5 main steps to propagating your sedum plant. First, you need to choose a healthy stem about 6 inch long from a well hydrating plant. So use a clean scissor to cut just below a leaf node where new roots are most likely to grow. The second one is prepare the cutting. After selection and cutting the healthy stem, you need to prepare the cuttings for next growth. Just you need to remove the leaves from the bottom half of the stem if any are present. The leaves can be set aside for leaf propagation. Okay, here I am talking about just propagating using the stem. In next video I will show you how to propagate using the leaves. After preparing this cutting, we need to allow the cutting to sit in a dry, bright location with a good air circulation for approximately about 2 to 3 days. This lets the cut end from protective colors which prevent the rot. Then after that, after 2 to 3 days, the plant we need to plant in a soil. Fill a pot with a well draining succulent soil mix. Poke a hole in the soil and insert the colored cuttings, making sure the stem is in good contact with the soil. Okay, after that we need to put the pot in a location with a bright indirect light. Water the soil until it's slightly damp. New roots should develop within 2 to 3 weeks.